You should see me in a crowd. Everything I do is cold. Funky, hypnotic.
May the Richmond meeting commence. You know what I mean? Nope, no one knows what I mean. First of all, hi! Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann. Ignore the bikes in the background. You know, sometimes I feel subconscious about my like backgrounds. And then I watch a video with a girl sitting in front of her unmade bed. So yeah, we're gonna go with it. I've got a few things in front of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Ladies and gentlemen, her. Just kidding. If anyone sees this that's related to me, you didn't. Number two. Yeah. Got Dr. Jart in the house. Why are you doing this? Why is this happening? I'm sorry if this is out of focus the entire time. I've got this 50 cents claw clip. I really want to order the Tinks one, the MEJ one, and I want it to be like, you know, it's like bedazzled, and I really like the juicy one, but I want it to say Queens. So anyway, I've got my little handy dandy book and my emotional support water bottle. All right, step one complete. Get my little claw clip in. Gonna have to chug some water because if you weren't if you were curious, it is 85 degrees in Georgia.
How you are, you just have to say that you're.
But anyway, as I was saying, may the meeting commence. I don't remember where I left off though. You might be thinking, Elizabeth Ann, I think it's important to know what day you're filming this on. No, it's not. Is it almost, well, not almost, it's 10 o'clock on January 1st. Yeah, 2022. So I started this I started this video like a week ago, you know, trying to get ahead. Just wasn't the vibe. The vibes were not there, and they are now here. So let's commence. I did like do all of this like journaling and goals and actually doing like this board and my vision board and everything within the past like 5 days. But this filming of it and putting all the clips together. Welcome back to my channel. Why do I look at? What was that? Did happen tonight. So let's get into it, shall we? All right, so if you guys didn't know, I did go to the Friends Experience. That's where I got this. Don't ask me how much I paid for it. Should we put the mask on first? I feel like we kind of should. Honestly, I probably shouldn't be doing this mask because I do have fever blisters. And I did a mask yesterday. If you hear anything in the background, it is my cat. All right, so I've never used this. Wait, this was so stupid. I shouldn't have opened this. This is what I was gonna use in the plane. Oh no. What do I do? Do you think I could put it in and save it? What do I do? I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's pretend like we didn't open you. Go back in. What if it doesn't go back in? There's stuff everywhere. I think we just suck it up and use it, and then I'll just try to find another one. Ooh. You know what? I used Dr. Jart the other day for the first time. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, does this stay on? What is this? Oh no, this was not in my other container. Here's my one complaint. I actually have many complaints. The first complaint is I'm about to look like a freaking idiot.
No.
Oh my god, stop. This smells. Oh no. I don't know if I can do this.
No.
I'm gonna put on a brave face. Just for you guys. Oh no, I just looked at my battery. My battery's dying. Gotta get into it. Okay, so basically, if you don't know me, your first time seeing my beautiful face, my name's Elizabeth Ann. I'm 25. Oh, that's not the vibe. I'm 25. I'm about to graduate from Oklahoma State, and yeah, I am wearing a champagne sweatshirt, although I am very much hashtag sober, sober queen, if you will. So it's just a comfy sweatshirt. And if you're wondering, Elizabeth, you just said it was like 85 degrees. It is. I'm suffering. So all right, so let's get into the specifics. Drum roll, please. I have it broken down into different sections. Sorry, my head keeps getting cut off. I have it broken down into different sections. Health, school, career / YouTube. Travel. That's basically it. And career / YouTube is also like money and stuff like that. All right. I'm just gonna read a couple from each and then I'll go over like how I did. Put my health first, stop putting so much pressure on myself, give myself an hour in the morning for my me time and journaling and coffee. It literally is my saving grace. It is. And I don't want to think about the fact I'm gonna have to be doing that at 6 in the morning in a week and a half. So that'll be fun. Cut out sodas, get a good sleep schedule. I'm really like up and down with that, and I have to get in a good sleep schedule when I get back to Oklahoma because it's why I'm gonna go home. Literally, I'm probably gonna go home Friday morning or Saturday morning when I get to Dallas, because I just have to get in a schedule and get my life in order when I'm there. Like, sidetrack, but back to school. Land dream internship, finish all A's and B's, build up my like LinkedIn and resume. Get an extension on my dream internship, live in Europe. Check, almost. And then I have like number goals for certain things, including like YouTube, TikTok, that kind of stuff, but I'm not gonna share those. And I have, you know what? Screw it, I'm going to. I said reach 75,000 on YouTube, 100,000 on TikTok, and 50,000 on Instagram. Instagram's the least of my worries though. I genuinely love Instagram. I love posting pictures. It's my life. Oh my gosh. Photography is my favorite. I have a manager at Table Rock, if you know, you know. And then I have a bunch of different like partnership things. Like I want to partner with like a facial spot, like a facialist. Visit LA for the first time. Oh, actually I have a lot of travel, so we'll skip over that one. And then I have a bunch of different brands like get PR from, like Chamberlain Coffee, Skims, Lululemon, Aloe. Go on my first free trip, and by free I mean like paid partnership with like a hotel or whatever, or partnership with like a hotel. Travel, there's a lot of different places I want to travel when I'm in Europe. I want to travel around the UK, but I also want to travel to like Paris, south of France. I want to go to a couple different places in Italy. I really would love to go to Germany too, but I don't know if that is gonna be like the last little. Anyway, feel home while studying abroad, which I know it's technically like interning abroad, but whatever. Have clarity on what I want to do, because midlife crisis, and I mean quarter life crisis and post-grad crisis. What a mixture to have. Anyway, then I journaled some, and then I like wrote like I am on Aloe Yoga's PR list, I am on Lululemon's PR list, I'm attending New York Fashion Week 2022, I am partnering with blah blah blah, etc etc. And then there were like a few like, not monetary, that's not the word, like physical things I wanted. Like I want this new camera, but it's not like a necessity. I'm living my dream European summer, you know what I mean? Like these kinds of things. I am successfully navigating my life in Europe. I'm genuinely the happiest I've ever been. I'm figuring out as I go. I'm traveling to Paris, you know, whatever, etc etc. I've built an authentic community, and yeah, so that's kind of what I do there. Now you take all these things and you go to Pinterest and you just type up and you go 2020, whatever you want to do. 2022. Oh my god, I'm stuck in the pandemic year. And you just think about like the things you want. Like I searched Paris aesthetic, grabbed a couple pictures there. I searched Italy, I searched whatever. And then I put a few of like the name brands. Oh, I put the certified mark. I didn't write that down, but like certified, and that kind of goes with the Instagram thing. So as you can see, as the board like starts coming together, I have a few like physical things. I always put a Range Rover on my vision boards. I think literally every single one I've done, because my dream. Hi, editing EA. Just wanted to say that I completely skipped this part. Since I was just making a desktop and a phone like screensaver instead of like printing everything out, I just used Canva. It's the easiest. You just go and you can create like Instagram story for a phone screen, or I'm sure there's a phone screen option, and you click on that. And if you want the desktop, you just search desktop background and you click on the blank one, and then just start adding pictures, as you guys will see. Dream car is a red interior Range Rover or a red interior GLE coupe. So anyway, I've got a MacBook Pro. I really want an MacBook Pro. The new Sony camera that I really want. There's like a couple. There's like a red carpet. I really want to go to my first red carpet this year, like event. There's like travel stuff, as you guys can see. I've got some health things. I've got Emma Chamberlain. I've got museums, which is literally gonna be me all summer. I've got like this card case I want. Remy Cruz, she's my inspiration. Hashtag Fit Queen. Simple Modern. Let's see what else I have. Oh, and the thing that has like Vogue in it is the Sonia, I don't know if I'm saying her name right. Sonia Kashuk. I can't remember. She partners with like Tinks a lot. But that was just like as the facialist. You get it. You understand the gist. There's like an LA picture, Palm Springs, Hailey Bieber on her laptop. And then there's the YouTube like monetization, the I think that's 100,000 subscribers plaque, which I cannot wait to have. And yeah, you guys get the gist. You guys understand. So I hope this helps. You guys go through, think about what you really want to come from this year, big or small, and just kind of like write it down, visualize it, and know that you can do whatever you want, whatever you set your mind to. So that's how I did it. I hope this helps. And I hope you feel a lot like me and feel very put together and excited for 2022. I can't wait to be back to Oklahoma. I have a lot of videos coming up. If you guys haven't seen my 2021 recap, check it out. If this is your first time being here and you liked it, or you're here this long, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with new videos so soon. And yeah, I hope you queens enjoy. Bye, queens.
You should see me in a